This is Theories and Applications of Organizational Communication, and today we're going to discuss technology. Within the realm of communication, when we discuss technology, we're not only talking about the physical artifacts such as computers, cables, routers, machines, etc., and its software, but also the interaction between the actors or the organizations who are using the technology to carry out their goals. These are considered sociomaterial systems, which means that the impact technologies have on organizations depends on how they are used and incorporated. While all different types of technologies have wrought huge changes on organizations and organizational communication over the past centuries, we will focus mostly on information and communication technologies because they have wrought the largest changes over the past 20 years. Just a few information communication technologies that have brought about major changes in organizational communication that either didn't exist or had hardly made a dent in organizations just 20 years ago are email, cell phones, teleconferencing, instant messaging, web pages, social network sites, team support systems, shared file systems, office automation, workflow management tools, and more. All different types of organizations, from large to small, from business to recreation, use information communication technologies these days. The way these organizations engage with technology depends on what they perceive the features have of value to them and how they can serve their organization and their organization's members. Organizations can use the same technologies in very different ways. For instance, large companies may use spreadsheets to organize complex client data, while a smaller recreational organization may use it as a checklist for activities that their members engage in or must complete. This is a small example, but it's one that highlights the diversity of uses found within technology. Some ways that organizations use technology today are cyber vetting, or researching information on potential organizational members, such as applicants or future employees. Others include surveillance of organizational members, such as digital records or recording devices. Teleworking is becoming increasingly common, with companies allowing employees to work from home using technology to stay connected and complete tasks. This extends to online gaming groups, online teaching and learning, such as the video you're watching right now, which you're able to watch from wherever you are rather than being in my classroom due to technological advances. So all these changes are pretty obvious on their face. I'm not telling you anything new. But what are the implications? How are they shaping our organizations and our social interactions? Are they bringing us closer together and improving our organizations, or are they pushing us farther apart and decreasing our efficiency? And what implications does this have for those with access to technology and those without access to technology? Does the divide between haves and have-nots get bigger? And larger organizations with more power and resources can harness technology differently. What implications does this have? How do we feel about a select number of large organizations being able to use technology in ways others are not able to, or to shape the technologies that we use in our daily lives? Many are of the mindset that if a technology exists, we should implement it, because technology is the equivalent of progress. But a technology is merely a technology. It is how we use it that makes it progress or not. It warrants taking time to think about how our organizations are shifting based on the technologies they're deploying and how this impacts our communication, connection, and outcomes. That's it for now, and the next topic we're going to cover is identity, identification, and branding.